Good morning, children. Today we are going to learn chapter 4, Our Great Scientist. So in this chapter we are going to learn about 8 to 9 great personalities who played an important role in the field of science. So let's get started with the first personality, that is Sir Jagdish Chandra Bose. He was an eminent botanist. Eminent means important. Very famous. Botanist means one who studies about plants, plant life. It was he who demonstrated means verified. He verified for the first time that plants have feelings and they are influenced. Influence means affected by music. So plants also a kind of living being, understood? It understands the feelings and it is influenced by music. We even have heard that we have to talk to plants every day, then it will grow properly. So here that only this scientist had founded out that plants have feelings and they are influenced by music. Next comes Sir Chandrasekhar Venkat Raman. He was the first Indian scientist to be awarded the prestigious means very respected, very valuable Nobel Prize in Physics. He was awarded the prize for his work on the scattering of light. Scattering of light means it reflects and bounces back, like for example mirror. Understood? Now physics, what do you mean by physics? Physics is a scientific study of natural forces such as light, understood, electricity, pressure, sound, etc. Next, Meghnad Saha. He put forward the famous ionization formula. What it means? Which enables means which enables the astronomers to know the temperature, that is the heat, pressure, force and other aspects. Aspects means the parts of the interior of stars. So he gave much knowledge regarding the stars, its temperature, its pressure and other parts of the stars. Next, Shanti Swarup Bhatnagar. He did research on making wax odorless. Odorless means no smell. Refining kerosene. Refining means purifying kerosene and utilizing petroleum waste in the oil industry. Now this Shanti Swarup is popularly known in India as the father of research laboratories. And he was the founder director general of the Council of Scientific and Industrial Research. Next, Homi Jahangir Baba. The atomic reactors Apsara, Cirrus and Zerlina were built under his expert guidance. These are the atomic reactors, various reactions, and these are the names of those reactions which has got its own speciality. Not only these, there are many other atomic reactors like Dhruva, Kamini, Purnima first, Purnima second, Purnima third. There are many atomic reactors. He was responsible for the setting up of the country's first atomic power plant at Tarapur and installing the first plutonium plant. He is regarded as the father of Indian nuclear science. Next comes Vikram A. Sarabhai. At present, India is all set to take a great leap in the field of space and telecommunication technology. To communicate, telecommunication. This is possible only because of the work and vision of scientists like Vikram Sarabhai. Vision means one who has a good knowledge regarding what will happen in the future, can see the future, understood, can see the upcoming things. He set up the Physical Research Laboratory at Ahmedabad, which is devoted to the study of cosmic rays and outer space. So this is much related to the space. India's first satellite international television experiment are fruits of his hard work. Fruits doesn't means koi phal. Understood? Here means the result of his hard work. Next, Raja Ramanna. On May 18th, 1974, India tested her first nuclear device at Pokhran in Rajasthan. Nuclear bomb, like America, China, they all have their own nuclear bomb, isn't it? So we also tested it for the first time at Pokhran in Rajasthan with the help of Raja Ramanna. The entire show was managed by the eminent scientist Raja Ramanna and his colleagues means and his friends, co-workers. Ramanna's main contribution lies in the field of nuclear fission. He put forward a new theory to explain how heavy nuclei split, it divides and generate various radiation, energetic nuclear radiation. Next, Subramanian Chandrasekhar. His main field of interest was the study of stars. He was awarded the prestigious Nobel Prize for what is known as Chandrasekhar's limit, which determines the minimum mass of a dying star, enabling it to survive. Now, what is this dying star? Now, massive stars explode in a supernova, blasting their chemical reactions into space and seeding the universe for a new generation of stars to grow. So he said that stars can survive due to its radiations. Understood? Next, Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam. So his full name, now you understood what's the full form of APJ. Dr. Awul Pakir Jalaluddin Abdul Kalam. He played a key role in making the country self-reliant and self-sufficient. Self-dependent. Self-reliant means self-dependent, and self-sufficient means we don't have scarcity of any things. Understood? In the field of defense. The Pokhran Test Second, which was conducted under his guidance on 11th May 1998, enabled India to gain entry into nuclear club of the world. He became the President of India on 25th July 2002. He is regarded as the father of the Indian missile program. Now, he was an Indian aerospace scientist and politician. He was born and raised in Tamil Nadu and studied physics and aerospace engineering. That's all for today. Read it. I am sharing a PDF of the chapter's exercise in Microsoft Teams. Just go through it.